Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, my name's Gianni. If you're not, hey, welcome back. So, today, I am bringing you a nice curly hair video. Yeah, so I'm doing a hair mask and I'm going to show you how I define my curls and get these beautiful, juicy, yummy curls. So just stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. So yeah, enjoy. Hi guys! What's up? Hey. Let me just start off with apologizing for my appearance right now. Trying to fix my skin because it's tripping. And got my handy dandy bonnet on right now, feel me? But yeah, so I'm gonna go from this to a better looking version of myself shortly. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with a handy dandy bowl. And I'm going to use the Aztec clay mask. This stuff is so good. So good. I'm gonna open it. I got a spoon. I'm gonna take some clay, drop it, boom. Pretty self-explanatory, you know? I'm gonna take another one, boom, drop it. I made a mess. Boom. Okay. So next, I'm going to take this. This is really good for your skin as well and hair. This is apple cider vinegar. My bowl. Ooh. I don't really have measurements. I kind of just pour. So I'm just gonna pour. It's really bad, but see, it's starting to foam. Okay, I'm not gonna mix it yet. So next, I'm going to take this hair oil, and this is for hair growth. Boom. This smells so good. Put a little bit of that in there. I think that was too much, but hey. Next, I'm going to take some olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to... Oh wait, I don't think this is open. Oh. Only me. Only Gianni Lise. Anyway. Oh, that was a lot. We're gonna have to add some more powder clay into this. Now, some agua. Lid off. Refreshing. A little bit, un poquito. Got us a little soup. Just gonna mix it. Okay, so it should look a little something like that. I'm not gonna do that. It's like pasty. Oh, I made a mess. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this off and show you guys how scary my hair looks. Boom. Like, what is... There's hair tie. There's hair... Okay, a mess. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to actually go wet my hair, like drench it in water, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so I wet my hair. No, it looks like this. Still a mess. And I have my brush, and I'm just going to brush from the bottom up a little bit. And no one come for me the way I'm brushing my hair. This is how I do it, so mind your business. Brush your hair the way you want to brush your hair. Okay, I give up. That's good enough. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little mix and I'm going to put it in my hand, like so. Boop. Roll up my sleeves and put it in my hair. You just start from the bottom and work your way up. Feel me, sis? Just gonna put it everywhere. Make sure you hit them edges. Get them edges. I'm about to have popping curls. You about to have popping curls too if you do this and listen to me, because I know what I'm talking about sometimes. So now I'm gonna just put it in a bun or something. And you can leave this in your hair for as long as you want. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep mine in. Maybe like 2 hours or something. To your preference. I will let you know how long I kept this in my hair for. Hey guys, I'm back. So it's been like 2 hours. I still have this in my hair. It's getting crusty now, which is a good thing, because that means that, you know, it's doing its magic and all the mixes and ingredients is working together. So now I'm gonna wash it. When you take it down, you're gonna see like flakes like fall and stuff. That's fine. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use to wash my hair. I'm not gonna show you how to wash your hair because I feel like everyone knows how to wash their hair. And if you don't know how to wash your hair, then like I'm pretty sure there's videos on how to wash your hair. Yeah, but I'm gonna use this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioner Shampoo. It smells really good. It looks like that. And then I'm going to use Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner. And it looks like this. These two together, I love. I'm going to go wash my hair and I will be right back. I'm back. I washed my hair. Well, a lot of things happened. Yeah, I'm going to do a story time on what just occurred and just happened to me. But that's besides the point. So my hair is like damp a little bit right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray it a little bit to get it more wet so I can apply product to it. But this is what my hair looks like right now. So I wet my hair and now I can apply my product. I'm going with the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. It looks like this. It smells so good and it's so good for your hair. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and rub it all throughout my hair. So now I'm just gonna like kind of scrunch the product in my hair a little bit. And this is what my curl pattern looks like right now. Now I'm going in with my Eco Style gel. I love this gel. This is the only Eco that I use. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand and scrunch my curls with it. And it like gives it a nice hold. Only a little bit though, because I don't like to put too much. So now I'm going to go in with my Hot Tools blow dryer, and I'm going to take this diffuser. It's like a rubbery, I don't know, but I love this diffuser, and I'm just going to diffuse my hair just a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with the blow dryer. I took the diffuser off, and now I'm just gonna like blow my hair a little bit, and I'm gonna put it on the medium heat instead of the high heat, and I'm just gonna dry it a little bit. I'm back after a few hours. This is what my hair is looking like. This is the final result. Super juicy curls and bouncy and healthy looking. I love it. I love this mask. It's so good for your hair. It makes your hair look so good. Like, the hair smells really good. My curls don't usually look like this on a day-to-day basis, so when I really want like a nice defined curl, this is what I do. So I really hope that this works for you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. It does work for you. Comment down below. Tell your sisters, tell your brothers, tell your mothers, tell your everybody. Let them know about my hair mask that I do, and we could all be one curly nation together. Feel me? So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.